This is a 2022 GLC 300 4MATIC SUV. Performance and handling, 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine, 255 horsepower with 273 pound-feet of torque. It has a 4MATIC permanent all-wheel drive system, 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission. Other features include the night package on the exterior and the AMG line exterior. Total retail $56,510. This is the 2022 GLC 300 4MATIC SUV. Let's go for a drive. Alright, this is a GLC 300 4MATIC SUV. Premium quality interior. One of the best-selling SUVs by Mercedes-Benz. Exterior diamond manufacture white. Interior black MB text. And it has premium material all around. Very quiet cabin. It's a very nice SUV, very comfortable. The seats have side bolstering right here and also perforated leather, very smooth. This section here is thigh support, extends out in that fashion. Very soft material, premium quality wood trim on the center console with the MBUX trackpad down here with haptic feedback, as well as black piano lacquer trim on these center control options on the center console on and off system. Let's go back. Camera systems for self-parking, and then eco, manual mode. Parking systems off, and Let's go back here. Dynamic select options. These are your drive modes. It has Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, individual mode. MBUX system, fully touch screen. Options are phone, radio, media, comfort, info, as well as settings. Let's go back to info. Cup holders right here, heated as well as cooled cup holders. NFC wireless charging down here where I have my cell phone, and the car keys. And if you look on the right hand side of the digital instrument cluster, you can see G-forces, insignia. You can also change those displays. There's a map. In addition, you can swipe left. Switch it down to the comfort mode. This is what I'd recommend for daily driving. Very soft, seamless gear changes compared to the Sport Plus mode. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I need coffee.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Hey Mercedes, I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature on the driver's side to 63 degrees.
How's the MBUX voice assistant? Very nice. If you swipe up, it has Mercedes themes, which allow you to change all the displays at the touch of a button. Experience theme. Let's go back, swipe up. Efficiency theme. Add more eco display metrics throughout your dashboard. Swipe up again. Lounge theme. This is more entertainment focused. Sirius XM, satellite radio, FM and AM. Swipe up. Standard theme. regular everyday driving, standard theme. Go to settings, designs and displays, designs, select the sport design, go back, light options, ambient lighting, exterior light delay, interior light delay, daytime running lights, locator lighting. A lot of menu options and features, driver assistance package, camera and parking, active brake assist, attention assist, blind spot assist. All in all, I wanted to give you guys a point of view drive experience, and show you the drive characteristics of this GLC 300 4MATIC SUV. If you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll add more description information for this car. Leave a comment and subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly Mercedes and Mercedes AMG videos.
How can I help?
I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature on the driver's side to 61 degrees.
That's nice. Once you turn off the car, the automatic brake is initiated, the car fully parked. And that's a look at the 2022 GLC 300 4MATIC SUV. Subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly Mercedes and Mercedes AMG videos. Until next time guys, stay positive but test negative. Peace.